Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so recording won't fail. Check Android version and ensure at least 100 MB free storage. Next, open Settings, go to Apps and grant microphone and storage permissions to the recorder you'll use. This prevents silent failures. Choose either the built-in voice recorder or a trusted third-party app. Pick one with recent updates and good ratings. Once done, open the app and set default save location. That ensures files are accessible and prevents unexpected data loss. Now configure the detailed settings that shape your recordings. You'll pick a sample rate, 44, 100 Hz for clear audio or 22, 050 Hz when conserving space, and choose a file format. M4A/AAC balances size and quality, while WAV gives lossless captures. Make sure the input source matches your setup. Use the default microphone for casual notes or switch to an external mic when clarity matters. Also enable automatic gain control or manual levels. If you're ready to record, tap record and watch input levels. Pause for breaks to keep one file tidy and stop when finished. Name recordings clearly and move copies to cloud storage or an SD card so you don't lose them. That step saves recovery time. If audio is muted or low, check permissions first, ensure the mic isn't blocked, and test with another app. If problems persist, restart the app or device. Finally, export your file in the chosen format and verify playback quality before sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.